Okay, good morning students. So today I will tell you how to apply this CTET, Central Teacher Eligibility Test. So here I will show you, this is the website, that ctet.nic.in. So you have to click here. So after clicking, it will take you to the CTET website. So here you see, this is the dashboard of this CTET. So here these are the we can say the interface, and here we will click apply for CTET. And let me tell you that the last date of applying this CTET, it is probably it is the last date online application is 24th November 2022. It is the last date. So you can apply by going to this ctet.nic.in. So here you see, so you can pay the fee also. For general and OBC it is 1000 for both the papers, in paper 1 and paper 2. Only for paper 1 or paper 2 it is 1000, and for both the paper 1200 rupees, and for SC ST different able persons it is 500 for one paper, and for the two papers it is 600. So it will be better that now you all are eligible to apply for both the papers, so you can take the advantage of it and you can apply for both the papers for as a practice. So we'll close it. So what first you will do it, you will click the apply for CTET December 2022. So it will take you to another new tab. So you click OK here. So it is pop-up block, so you can click always allow pop-up. So it will again click. Now it will take you to the site. So here you have to if you are a new registration, then you click new registration, and if you have already applied for it, then you can click on the application number, this thing, then you have to put your password, and then you will go ahead. Okay, let me check. I have already opened an to register in this CTET. So I will tell you what is that. Let me find out it. Now you have to enter your application number. So here I am entering the application number. Then after entering this application number, you have to type the password also. So you have to enter the security pin. Then you go for sign in. So what is actually happening here? 2210166410. Okay. So this is IQ8147. Yes. So now this is the dashboard for filling the application form. So here I have completed the registration form. You can see here. So this part. So here I have completed the registration form here. So this is completed. So now we will go for the application form, and after that application form, so you will go for final payment, which is incomplete. Okay. So now what we will do, so here this is the application number, you note down it properly. So now here the mobile number is verified, and if you want to verify the email ID, you can click on the verify email ID. Then it will ask you for the email ID what you have given during the registration. Then you go, it will send a link to your email. Then you can verify in that process. So now we will go for that complete application form. So here you see. So now I have clicked this complete application form. So now we will go by one. This contact details I have already filled up during the registration form. Then the personal detail, then the apply for qualification details, then the upload photograph and signature, then examination city in detail, then final submit. So on that basis we can fill up. So now we'll go for personal detail fill up. So here you see, so the name is here, then the date of birth, then the gender, then father's name, mother's name, nationality you have to put Indian, then category, whatever the category you belong you can mention here. So then whether you are physically a person with disability, if yes then click yes, if no then click no. And you have to put the employment status. So here I am on not employed, as a candidate I am applying. So if you are a teacher you can put teacher, if you are other than teacher you click. So here not employed. So here again it will ask the security pin, you have to click the security MC82, then the last one is, what is this, 6 probably, let me check it. I want to submit the session, yes. So now the personal details section is over. Now we'll move for applying for. So you have to see in CTET the paper 1, if you are applying only for paper 1 then click paper 1. If you are applying for paper 2 then you have to click paper 2. If you are applying for both then you can click both. So here there is 2 languages which is compulsory. One is English and another one is, there are a number of ranges of languages, but English is compulsory. So you can click any language as English, and the other language you can keep it as your mother tongue or the language which you are convenient in, Hindi, Bengali, Tamil, Kannada, Odia, Assamese, whatever it may be, but one language must be English. So here I am keeping language 1 as English. So I am keeping my language 2 as I am from Odisha, so I keep it Odia. If you are from Assamese, you can keep Assamese. If you are from Tamil, you can keep Tamil. So like that, you have to choose this language. For especially for our students in Arunachal Pradesh, we are Hindi medium, so you can choose Hindi. There is no other options. If you are handy at other language, then you can click that one. But you should have that minimum eligibility for that language. Then minimum qualifications for 1 to 5th. See, these are the range of options 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we are doing B.Ed. So here there is an option, the number 1 is not suitable for us, 2 is also not suitable for us, 3 is also not suitable for us, 4 is also not the option 4. Option 5th you will see graduation with at least 50% marks and passed or pursuing or appearing final year of Bachelor of Education, who has acquired the qualification of Bachelor of Education from any NCT in these things. Then in case if you got job, then you will go for a 6-month bridge course. You can see if you get the job in primary teacher, you after the job you will go for 6-month bridge course. So this is the option I think which is best suitable for this our B.Ed student, option 5th. And the last one is post graduation with minimum 55% marks or equivalent grade and passed or pursuing or appearing in the final year of 3-year integrated B.Ed and M.Ed. It is not appropriate for our students because you all are 2-year programs. This is for integrated B.Ed M.Ed. This option is not suitable for you. So you can go with the option number 5. So you can click here option number 5. Then this is for paper 1 qualification. If you go minimum educational qualification for class 6 to 8, that is for paper 2. So again there is a range of options. So you can see here graduation and passed or appearing the final year of 2-year diploma. No, this is not option is not good for us. At least 50% marks either in graduation or in post graduation and passed or pursuing or appearing in the final year of Bachelor of Education. Yes, 2 option is also correct. Then graduation with at least 45% marks and pass or pursuing or appearing in final Bachelor in Education in accordance to NCT recognition issued from time to time in this regard. This option is also suitable, no issue. Graduation with at least 45% marks and passed or pursuing appearing in the final year of the B.Ed. Option 2 is also okay. 3 is also no issue. Senior secondary with at least and 4 year of Bachelor of Elementary. No, this option is not correct for our students. Those who have having 4-year Bachelor of Education, they can do it. Just check out here in which option you are appropriate according to your B.Ed course. Then option 5th, those who have completed 4-year integrated BSc B.Ed, that is for them. Then 6th option, graduation with at least 50% marks and passed or pursuing appearing in the final year of B.Ed special education. Those who are doing special education B.Ed as a special B.Ed, they can do it. Click that option. And 7th option, any candidate having qualified or pursuing B.Ed program recognized by NCT is eligible to appear in TET or CTET. Then moreover, as per existing TET guidelines circulated by NCT letter dated 11 February 2011, any person who is any of the teacher education courses recognized by the NCT as per the RCI, that is again it is coming for that special B.Ed probably. Post graduation with a minimum 55% marks or equivalent grade and passed or pursuing or appearing in the final year of the 3-year, again it is coming for 3 year. So I think our 2-year B.Ed program students, you may opt for the option 2, at least 50% marks either in graduation or in post graduation and passed or pursuing in appearing in the final year Bachelor of Education B.Ed. That is option 2 is suitable for you. Option 3, graduation with at least 45% marks, and that is also okay. So you can choose any of these 2 or 3. So here I am choosing the option 3, issued from time to time in this regard, whatever it may be. So I am choosing option 3. Subject offered for paper 2. See here, we are going to elementary teachers. There are 2 social science teachers, or we can become science or mathematics teachers. So here I am from science background, and then I will click science. Those who are from arts background, social science background, they can choose social science. Then here it is qualifying exam, diploma in education accordance with the prescribed minimum qualification, degree in education accordance with the prescribed minimum qualifications. So here I am clicking this degree in education accordance with the prescribed minimum qualification. Those who have completed diploma, they can also put that one. So here I am putting this security 79L66. Then it will ask want to submit, then I am clicking OK. Then it is asking qualification details, pass status. So I am putting its appearing candidate. Then year of passing or appearing 2022, 22 or 23, we can say in the next year we are passing, so 23. Course or stream, education, elementary education, etc. Then board of university. So you can search your board here. So though our university is coming for Rajiv Gandhi University. So actually Rajiv Gandhi University it will not highlight. It will, you can write the old name Arunachal University. See, Department of Education, Arunachal University, Doimok. So you can click this one, and if your institute is not there, you can also type. You first search your institute name. Those who are NCT recognized institute, they might appear, and if it not still not appear, you can type. You just try in your own college. So I am clicking here. So I am in appearing candidate. So result mode is there is default. It is functional. So institute pin code I am giving 7911112. Then I am giving security pin SI0604. Then again I am saving it. So now it's quite good. So now we are in the last stage of our form fill up. So it is so easy. If we know certain tricks, we can save our time and money, and we can form fill up by itself. So here it is asking for photograph. You see, it is written that the photograph should be in 100 to 200 KB. Okay. So here you see I have already kept my photograph within this 200 KB. So if you are not able to minimize that photo, you simply go to the online things and just click resize photo to 100 KB. There in online it will come, and you can put that one, and it will directly modify into 200 KB. That part I will do another video, and I will tell you how to minimize and resize your video. So here I will choose my photo from the desktop. I have kept it. So now only it is asking something. Okay, let me. So here I am uploading my photo.